traffic just moving on it. This is Russian here. You can see we are just outside here. We are just fixing the ceiling board. Yeah, so this is the way the work is going on right now here. What's up, guys? It's another beautiful day. Yeah, God is good all the time. I always telling you, like, if you believe in God, things gonna be able to change in your life. This is one of my friend here. Shiro, say hello.
Hello. Hi, guys.
How are you?
I'm good.
You are good? Oh, she's beautiful, guys. First of all, welcome on my channel. If you are a new one, if you haven't subscribed, guys, consider subscribing my video and like to your friends. You know, just comment a sweetest comment down there. You know, so right now I just came here to withdraw some little money. This is M-Pesa. I don't know you like M-Pesa in USA or like outside the country, how you call it. It is money grab or what? It is what it is, guys. Let's flow with the vibe, you know. So Shiro, she's the one who's going to serve me here right now. But remember, I'm in the middle of the timber yard, so we are going to purchase the timbers. Remember, yesterday the video we did, it's about we did the quotation about upside and everything, how we are going to put the ceiling board, and then we purchase it. So today it's about going to carry it, everything. We carry the timbers, we carry the ceiling board, and then we go back at home. So the work is just starting right now here. From the timber yard, we are going to the machine to cut them into pieces so that it can give us a nice easy work to do it. So I'm right now in Border Sigare. This is the view. I'm going to show you how Border is looking because it's one of the best town right now, the place where I am. Shiro, tutaongea. Si unajua na come back. Yeah, so Shiro is one of the best friend at me. So guys, this is Border. This is the view of Border outside. It's looking like this around, and I'm at the timber yard, guys. I just came to purchase the timbers, you know. So this is the view of how everything is looking. Today the video is just starting in a different way, you know. In a different way means you're gonna be able to start from this amazing place. So this is the timber yard. This is the place I always coming. This is the place where I'm purchasing the timbers, you know. So we are starting slowly but sure. Hey Tata, oh, this is our mother, the mother that's serving us here, the timbers. Mama, sema hello.
Hello.
How are you?
How are you?
This is African mom, guys. Hey, I like your hair, mom. Unatengeneza nywele na nini? Hey, look at this hair. Natural one. And it's so amazing. Neza tengeneza yangu hivi?
Hello.
Hey, I like that hair. It's so amazing. So amazing. And outside here, there is this scales. One of the best one, amazing, man, you know. So and here there is this sugar cane. There is sugar cane here. This sugar cane, man, wow, it's so amazing, so amazing. So this is the place where we came to purchase the timbers. Umechagua zile nzuri ba? Yeah, so maybe I will call the tuk-tuk so to come and then to pick it, you know. Our motorbike always is around with us, you know. So let us see. So these are the timbers, guys. This one are the timbers that we are going to use it. This one, you know. Yeah, so somehow we are just trying to make things to happen. Yeah, this is the timber yard. If you need the timbers, this is the place. Like this one, it's so amazing to use it when you are working at your home, you know. So brother Dagi, I'm really trying, man, to make things to happen, you know. So like here you can see, like this one, they're just drying. So after drying, and then we can be able to use it to do like amazing furnitures with this. but this one belongs to someone. This one not mine. Mine it's this one here. Mine it's this one here. This one here. They're my timbers, you know. So you are going to pay, and then you are going to wait the tuk-tuk to come to carry it until home. So there is a lot of things that I'm going to share to you today, because today is today. And then from here we are going to cut them. We are going to the machine to cut them into pieces so that it will help us to use it, you know. Stay tuned, subscribe, watch until the end, and always positive vibes. I love you, my people. Yes, we are here at the hardware. We just came to pay. We picked the ceiling board from upside there. So right now here, this is George Sama. George, say hello.
Hello.
How are you, sir?
I'm okay.
Yeah, so
I'm just working here for some few minutes till I left this place.
wow. So guys, this is a big politician in the town right now. So the moment you are here, we are secure, we are safe. So we need to pick our materials right now here inside. So we are just waiting. It comes from upside there, and then I'm gonna be able to take you around to show you how things happening. So let's pick them, and then we're gonna be able to move out. This is the place where we are at George Sama Hardware right now. So let's go. Yes, so this is the place where brother Dagi I am right now. We are literally outside, you know. So this one it's having these flowers. Okay, it's having these flowers. So I think this is one of the best. This one, you know, all of these, they are the ceiling board, but we have purchased one bundle of it. Yeah, so the tuk-tuk is waiting me outside. Remember, we have already paid. Yeah, we have already paid the money. Na ichinani chioto keba hizo strippers usahau. Hizo za mishipi ya kuweka kando. Si uchukue basi miwili mizuri yenye inaendana na ceiling board. Tulishalipa. I'm telling the guy we have already paid, so I need him to choose for me a nice color. Uchagole kari nchia, usene kare ndavu. Oh, sawa. Yeah, the guy is trying to advise me like the color, it's nice. So the tuk-tuk is waiting us down there, down here, you know. Yeah, so I'm upside, and then we are going in a simple way. So I came at this place to choose what I need, you know. So you're just going outside like that way. We are really trying. We are really trying. George, receipt na change imebaki ngapi?
Change ni 300.
Aya, nipe sasa. Yeah, I'm waiting the remaining money. So the guys, they're just there. You remember the KK? It's there, it's waiting. Yeah. So we are waiting the change right now here. Right now here.
Hello.
So this is the work. It's going on here. And the guy is there. Moja. Oh, hizo. Mbili. These are the strippers. Sawa. Yeah. So this is the work. Simsaidie yule jamaa weke pale juu, mumsaidie kufunga. Tafadhali. Msaidieni. Oh, naenda kuchukua change. Ona, amesema tuifunge. Haitakatika. Uko na uhakika? Haya, alafu muache nafasi ya kuweka mambao. Tunaenda kuchukua mbao. Mbao 8. Ni mbao futi 10 za kawaida tu. So this is the work that it's going on here right now. Shaingia. So today it's that day. Don't forget. Wacha nichukue change 20. So I'm picking the remaining money here. So we go to fix everything. Hey George, change.
Oh.
So we are going like this way. This is the way we are going it. Nakotebiga yege no ni change no nani hangae. Naso kini chenkwengeri akagana. So this is the transportation money we have paid here. Our KK guy. Remember the time that I was building with David Jr., I was with this guy with this tuk-tuk. Hey Dorina! Hey, Dorina is around passing. Hey Dorina, how are you?
I'm fine.
Say hello Dorina.
Yes, hi guys. Welcome to Brother Dagi channel, guys. My name is Dorina. My YouTube channel name Dorina _ guys. Yeah, I meet Brother Dagi. You know the shopping for construction?
Yes, I'm purchasing the ceiling board. So we are going to put upside there in our project. Ona, unaona hiyo junction ya border point? Nenda mchukue hizo mbao ziko kwa hiyo timba ya diapkan. Niko nyuma yenu. Yeah, yes Dorina, how is life?
Life is it's good. We thank God for everything.
Since yesterday.
Yesterday it's very nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, sorry for the disturbance because there is a lot of noise. It's because you are in the road here. A lot of people, they are just passing, a lot of vehicle passing, but I just met with Dorina. If you are coming from me, hey, Gitiriva is there passing. Yeah, so Dorina, we can go with my motorbike.
First of all, I want to meet someone in the
here at this point.
Yeah, at this point.
Okay. So guys, go check out Dorina.
Check me out, guys.
Yes.
Subscribe Dorina _ channel.
Yeah.
Subscribe to success and roll to this
20,000 subscriber. Bye bye Dorina. Yeah, that's Dorina, guys. I just met with Dorina around here at this town. So let's go and see how other things going, because I'm giving you amazing content. Murabangana. Yes, I just meet one of my friends around here. So let's go. The single way. Enjoying watching this video because there is a lot I'm going to share to you, so you will enjoy. So we are here going like that way. Wow, this is Goda Sirari. This is the view of everything. And when you are here, you have to be careful when you are driving. You have to be very careful when you are driving. Wow. Hey guys, it's about God to reach the place where we have reached. Oh my goodness. Okay, we have reached. So we need to carry the timbers here, right now here. Oh, these are the cows, guys. These are the cows, you know. Ona chukua ndo hizo hapo. So this is the tuk-tuk with us around here. Okay, At the same time, we have a lot of cows here at the town. Those are the cows. Those are the cows. This is the tuk-tuk. How are you, men? How are you? Mungu moja Shiro, haki ya Mungu. Singekuwa wewe.
Promise sitakwambia.
Now there you got it. Okay. Guys, this is the work. You're just carrying the... Tutaenda hapo mbele. Hapo kwa Hamisi amekata eti ananili. Mashini yake imeharibika. So we are carrying it. From this side, you can see these guys, they're just really trying to work, you know. So we are trying. We are trying. So these timbers, you are going to use it by putting the ceiling board upside. That's why you can see even these boys that are trying to carry them. Yeah. Twende. Ona. Unaona hiyo pesa upe madhe. Shiro. Chanifanya kazi. So this is the way that you are going like this from this side. Guys, let me show you Shiro. Ona. Twende uko mbele kwa ile mashini iko uko mbele hivi. Penye kao shiko uko mwisho. Shiro is around. Shiro, this is your business. You can see Shiro is selling the
Vegetables.
vegetables. This is the cabbage, you know, orange, watermelon, tomatoes. A beautiful lady around. What is your name, ma'am? You know this camera can change your life. Right now. The camera can change our sister life. Right now. Guys, there is a lot of cows at these streets. You know? So that's how we are going. Have a look, guys. In the middle of the road. So imagine Africa, it's somehow crazy. Somehow crazy. People doesn't care. Even the animals, it's at the road. You know? Something crazy. Ona! Shiro, acha nimalizane na video nakuja. Niko karibu kumaliza content. Nyumbani. So have a look of this. So crazy. People are just wondering what is going on here. Okay, let's go. So the tuk-tuk is going, so you have to capture the tuk-tuk. Yeah, let us rush. Capture the tuk-tuk. So this is how everything happening in the village, here and there. This is the view of Hispania border Sirare. Kuja tuchane hapa mbele kwa ina niliko hapa mbele. So this is like the way I told you guys. Today is that day. Yeah, so let us try to fix everything together. through you guys, that's why you can see that we are making these things to happen. God bless you amazing million times. God bless you a million times. So we are going here. 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 Fundi! Oh! These are the desk. Have a look. Mambo, nichania hizi mbao dakika 2 faster niende. Ziko mbao 8, kuna moja yenye imeshachanwa fundi. Nataka wajua nipigie ceiling board. Takupa 150. Usinikure, sina hela yake ya Mungu. Mzigo ndo huu tukutuku inashusha hapo.
Sasa hiyo ni nini sasa?
Siku ile unajua nilikuja akanirandia mbao za milango. Huku hapa ni yule mzee vidole zimekatika hivi ndo aliranda. Mimi ni mteja wako. Na hapa unaona mzungu anakuona Amerika. Venye unapigilia kitu.
Unafanya biashara kwa kwangu.
Ona, subiri kidogo tu hivi kaka. Ona. Subiri tu kidogo tu. Kidogo tu. Nataka tu zichane, nataka ziwekwe.
Unafanya biashara kwangu na zina.
Ndio hiyo fundi.
Unanipa 150.
Nakupa 150 fundi.
Na huko
zichane
1500.
Zichane haraka. Wow, I'm so happy when I'm with the village, with the villagers, with my friends. It's good. Kuna moja yenye imechanwa isishuke. Kuna moja yenye imechanwa. Ama tuziachanisha tu fundi. Wewe pia tu fundi atajua venye anafanya. Guys, we are here. Let me show you the work that is going on. Wow. Because of a lot of noise, so I have to come outside. So we are cutting the timbers and then we go back at home. Cutting the timbers and then we go back at home. You know? Yeah. Siko tu tayari ama tutaiachanisha yaani yule fundi labda atakuja ashindwe kukata hapa hivi. Wacha tumwachanishie. Asikuja aumie. Dogo peleka hizi zimeshakuwa. Here we are just working hard to make sure everything is moving slowly but sure. Yeah. So that's how, guys, we are doing our things. The way I told you, I'm coming to the machine to cut the timbers and then we go back at home. So guys, watch until the end of the video. Finally, we are at home. We have reached. So this is home and the tuk-tuk it's around here, you know. So ona tunaingia hapa hivi. Oya! Fungua hiyo gate yote. So this is the tuk-tuk around with us. Sawa, santi. Yeah. So we are entering inside like that way. Entering inside like that way. Hello? Yeah, so the tuk-tuk it's here. Right now here. Right now here. Shikilia vitu zisivunjike. Haya, twende. Twende. Tuzieke huko juu hivi. Yeah. We have arrived at home right now. We have arrived. Wow. Zimeharibika. Sasa hizo mbao waambie wanizimie huko kidogo. Hizo mbao nataka tuziweke, tuzisimamishe kwa ukuta. Juu kesho mafundi wataamka kutengeneza. Dogo na mzisimamishe hapa hivi. Chini. Okay. So guys, we are at home. We are trying to fix things together. Unaonaje dogo? Usisimamishe hapo. Hivyo. Zisimame tu hapo. Ama zitajikunja. Hivyo.
Yo ingia na hapa, kuja gari basi.
Pana hizo vitu. Subiri kidogo hivi kwanza. Actually guys, the work is just moving on it. This is the nation here. You can see we are just upside here. We are just fixing the ceiling board. Yeah, so this is the way the work is going on right now here. Yeah, so Nation is around here, guys. The Mnyama himself, yeah.
If you know, guys. Apart from us installing the house foundation, also we know how to install
the ceiling board.
You have to use. You see what I'm using?
Yes, the loop.
The loop. This
This is the rope.
is the one that also we use for installing the house and everything.
Yeah.
So it needs the good measurements, good materials and everything, and even tape measure, even hammer. We need nails, and this is mine.
Yes, the nails they are
The
here.
nails. This is the nail timbers. I think we have shown them the timbers.
Yes.
So we need all those things. So right now, I will go with one by one room. Like I want to finish this room, installing the timbers, installing the PVC, and then I go to the another
Wow.
one by one.
One by one.
Yeah, so that we can see what we are doing.
Yeah, that is good actually.
Yeah.
So guys, this is the work of today that we are doing here. Yeah, we really tried from Border Sirare, from the timber yard, from the hardware until this level. You have seen Nation is around. Yeah, so let us try and fix everything, guys, So this is the kind of the work that is going on. This is the tape measure.
You have to measure.
You have to measure.
Guys, I know you're going to like it.
Yes.
You know my work, guys. Tell us on the comment section, how do you think about this video?
Yes.
And I got amazing work.
Yeah. So we are fixing the ceiling board today. We are really tried. This is the courtesy of our viewers. So I'm appreciating for this. So after finishing working everything, we will show you the view of the work. How it's happening right now here. Right now here.
We don't use skills. We
Yes.
don't use machine. We use our energy.
We use our
Energy.
energy. Wow, that is nice. So we need to fix this one upside here at that point, at that level. At that level. Well, you see? It's already fixed it. Wow.
You see now?
You see, guys, now?
It's in rope.
At the level of the rope.
Yes, it has to be.
Wow. Good work. Good work. By the time that we will go to finish this, we are going to show you. Wow.
I'll show you everything.
Yes. So this is the work that is going on right now here. Guys, we need our dream toilet to come in a good shape. So at the time that this project will come in a good shape, that is the place where we will be able to be happy with the work that we have done it. And also, guys, kindly please support us, you know, so that we can manage this. So the view and everything, it's gonna be able to come in an amazing way. So we are here, we will show you what is going on right now here in the village. Yeah, so Nashoni is telling me, so he needs to fix one by one. This is the timbers. We are using these timbers right now here, you know, yeah, to put the ceiling board, you know. So let me show you how the view is right now here. Let me show you guys what is the view of this ceiling board. Let me show you how everything goes. Wow. Wow, so the view of this ceiling board is like this.
We call it a graft what? A graft design of
A graft designer. So it's
You
it's
love this
amazing.
color?
Yeah, this color is so nice.
Don't worry.
Yeah.
Wow.
So
we
this
have
is
every machine for working for this work.
yeah.
Guys, you know I work professional. I have everything.
Yeah, so the color it's like this way. This is the color. It's so amazing, guys. You know? So nice.
Wanna take breakfast?
Yeah, let us take the breakfast.
I see, bro, you have done amazing work.
Yeah. So guys, I was making this bench the place where we can be able to sit. Yeah, then they come with the hammer so that we can fix. So we just fix it this one. So this is the bench actually here. So like we will be able to have somewhere where we can sit. If you are taking something, breakfast, so it's good to have somewhere where we can sit. And it's an amazing bench actually. It's very nice bench. It's good. You know.
You know.
If you know, you know. What do you think about this day, Fashion?
I'm so happy.
Yes.
My brother Daddy's
Yes.
compound.
Yes.
And
We are fixing
usually
things.
We used to meet at the center,
Yes.
but finally I'm at home.
Yes. Kiko sawa eh? Kama tukisogeza kidogo. Wow. Tusogeza hivi. Hapo. Wow. Oh, come and say hello, everyone. Come, everyone.
Hello.
Come. Yes, I'm having my nephew. They are here, you know. Sio hapo anko. Nataka msogeze hii mawe kubwa tuyapange hapo. Hiyo muisogeze kwenda huko mwisho. Wow. Kuja kila mtu aseme jina yake hapa. Guys, you know when I'm in the village, I like to be with the kids around with me. Say your name.
My name is Ivan Muit.
Wow. Say your name.
My name is Joseph Nyamhanga.
Wow. Say your
My
name.
name is Elizabeth Rubia.
Wow. Say your name.
My name is Frida Wakedaga.
Wow. So, guys, when you're around with the kids, it's so amazing. It's so amazing. Like me, I'm really happy. Wow. Hey, Nation.
This is fine.
This one, it's now good.
We are going to sit now.
Yes. So, guys, we need to take the breakfast here, right now, here. Yes. Something that we have made. Yes. We have something here, which is, this is banana.
Banana.
Matoke.
Our traditional food.
Our traditional food. Wow, that's good.
The Ugandans, they call them matoke.
Yes, the Uganda, they call them matoke.
Kenyans, we call it matoke too.
Wow. This is good. This is good, guys. You know? Yeah, we need to take the breakfast. The breakfast here. Wow. Always brother Dagi when I'm around. We have to take something. We have to take something. This is tea. Black tea.
Mauano, guys.
This is the black tea.
My favorite.
The favorite food, eh? You know, most of the people, like, if you go in Tanzania, they like to drink black coffee. You know that?
By the way,
Yes.
black coffee.
Wow. Guys, welcome and enjoy with us.
Yeah.
Welcome and enjoy with us. You know? Yeah, so this is Matoke here. Nation, welcome, brother.
Thank you, man.
Just enjoy. Just enjoy. This is Matoke. Matoke. You know? Yes. Mm. Mm.
Guys,
It's not nice.
Nyama is here.
If you haven't taken anything, guys, kindly please welcome and join us. Just come and eat with us. You know, when we are around, welcome and enjoy with us. It's a new day with good vibes. That is it. Let's go.
Apart from brother Dagi, the nickname is Wazushi.
The nickname is Wazushi.
Yeah. If you know, you know.
Guys, you know, people they know me like Wazushi.
Yeah.
Wow, so this is what we are fixing. We have already fixed this one here. So we are just fixing there.
Yeah.
Right now there.
Slowly, slowly.
Yeah.
We call them in Swahili.
Yes.
We call them ushipi, in English belt.
Belt. So we are fixing this belt.
It's like a belt. So
Yeah.
we are going to give a shape so that when you're going to install the
Ceiling?
PVC,
PVC.
we call them PVC.
Oh,
ceiling
PVC.
board.
Yeah.
PVC ceiling board. At this the time you will see the way it's coming now.
Wow.
Don't worry, guys. I know you're so tired. You're waiting for it. Like me and brother Dagi. Wazushi.
Zush.
That one, guys. That one is a nickname. Yeah.
Wazush.
Wazushi.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Nickname in the village.
Yes.
We like calling him that way
Yeah.
because he's the guy of vibe and everything. The guy always smiling.
Yes.
Wazushi. Yeah.
Wazushi.
Good work, guys.
Wow. Let's see what you are doing. Wow. This is what we are doing. Wow. We need to fix that one at that point.
Yeah. So that it go to like uniform.
Uniform. You know? Yes. So let us see how we are going to fix it.
Saidia upanga. That confirm if it's in the square. So it's in square. It's good. So I want now start installing the ceiling. We were now on the other side doing some things, but right now we want now do the work.
The work.
Kazi sasa.
The work. Installing the ceiling board at this point. Right now here. Let us see how things going, because we are really working hard to make sure that things is gonna be able to be amazing one. Me with Nation here, we are trying, yeah? We are trying.
I have to use this square
Yes.
so that I cut it in the good position. You don't want to waste of materials, no? We call it cutter.
Cutter.
This one
This one.
is a cutter. Gypsum cutter.
Wow.
Usually work on gypsum.
Yes. Wow.
If you know, you know.
Let us finish this.
If you know, you know. Like.
I will show you amazing work, amazing work right now over here.
Man,
Yes, amazing work. Wow.
and for that,
Yes.
use our stapler.
Okay.
Let me put it in a good position.
Okay. Yes. Okay. We are trying to fix this, you know, and it's coming in a good position and good way. Yes. Okay. Wow. Wow. This is the first one installment.
Guys, today things are going good.
Things are going good. So by the time we finish this, we will show you how the view it will come. Wow. Guys, you can't believe it, what we have done it here. We started early in the morning to fix the ceiling board, and I thank God for this far. So right now you can look the new look. So this is the new look of our project. So it's coming in an amazing way. So the ceiling board is coming in an amazing way. God is good, guys. We have done it this. In fact, this is the work that we have done it right now here. So I thank God for this. We have remaining with the tiles on the walls. So, and then this is the pipe of water. The water will be able to run up to this side. And then you are going to install the tank of flushing water on this project here. So this is what we are having right now, you know. So after installing the tank of this Asian toilet here, so the view, it will be amazing one. So wow, you know, sometimes I'm talking and feel the place where I'm feeling like, wow, I'm not believing I myself that it's me, Brother Dagi. I'm reaching this point. Wow, it's not easy thing. We have really tried, and we are pushing on it so that we can be able to make sure that you are going to finish this project, you know. So that is the work that we have did it here since morning. This is the new look. So right now, next step. Wow. Okay, let me give you a little bit tour to show you the work. So this is room number 1. This is room number 1, guys. We have finished putting the ceiling board, and then this is room number 2 right now here. Wow, have a look. Room number 2, the ceiling board at room number 2. So here we will put the sitting toilet at this amazing room. We will put the sitting toilet at this amazing room. So this is the view of how we have did it, the work. So it looks so amazing, man. And this is the color of the ceiling board. This is the color, guys. This is the color of the ceiling board. Have a look. So this is the ventilation. This is the place where fresh air coming from. At this point, fresh air is coming from there, you know. So we have some materials here we have not yet used. Yeah, so we will be able to install these after finishing putting the tiles all of the wall. Like the view is coming in a very good shape. I thank God for this far, guys. Thank you, my people, by giving me energy to reach at this place. Wow. Remember, I'm having Nation, you know. Yeah, Mnyama himself. So this is room number 3. Room number 3. So room number 3, we are almost. So this is the bathroom, actually. Yeah, so this is room number 3. Room number 3. So this is you will get water, hot water from this place when you are showering inside here. So this is the place where the pipe is reached upside there, you know. So when we fix it, it will come in a very good way. So the engineer, he did it amazing work, you know. So we are at the finishing point right now here. So we are finishing point. We are in the finishing point. Nation is around here, you know. Nation is around here, man.
Yes, guys. If you know, you know, guys.
Yes. How is the day, man?
When the day has been so tired, you know.
Yes.
Around.
Guys,
Here.
we are really tried. We have really tried.
Gentlemen,
Yeah.
continuing slowly, guys, where we can.
Yes.
But we have managed to finish
Yes.
inside, and I think after Brother Dagi getting energy again, wanna come finishing up at this part outside.
Yes.
So that
Maybe, how do you think? Maybe tomorrow we're gonna be able to finish outside here.
yeah, no problem.
All we try.
We can try tomorrow.
We can try tomorrow.
Because right now it's time has gone.
Time has gone.
It's around 5.
Wow.
We are continuing, guys. We have done amazing job since morning. Trust me, guys. We have put a lot of energy, and then Brother Dagi have put on me food. I did breakfast and also lunch, so I'm
Full of energy.
yeah, you know.
Wow.
This is the final touches.
Yeah, this is the final touches, guys. Yeah, so we are showing you the final touches, where we are and where we are fixing the final touches right now here. We are in the final touches, guys, you know. So
This one, bro, you have to sweat.
yes, the final one.
This one is really normal.
Yes, final one. Yeah, we are really struggling to fix everything together, actually. I thank God for this far. We thank God for this far. for this fan, for this fan. Wow. Wow. So this is the work. This is how we are struggling to make things happen. You know?
Sure. Use a lot of energy.
Yes, to fix it. Wow. 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 So this is what that is going on here. Our good subscribers, our good viewers, God is good all the time. So we are having, oh, there is like the sun, it's coming from this part. Yeah, we are having 3 doors, you know. So this is one door, this is one door right now here, and then inside we have fixed it, the ceiling board. So this is the next door. Inside we have already fixed it, and then this is the 3rd door. Inside we have already fixed it, you know. This is inside. Wow. Have the look of the work of today. Hey, Nation.
Man.
Hey, say something from that side.
You know, bro, I like vibing.
Yes.
And when I say a good job, I feel so happy.
Yes.
Actually, this toilet is going to be amazing.
Yeah.
Because you have done first amazing installment of ceiling. You know.
Wow.
So
Next we are going to the tiles.
tiles, which means if they're going to install tiles, trust me, after this toilet is going to be a mansion.
Wow.
Amazing toilet.
Amazing toilet.
I'm trying to imagine the day that you are going to use this toilet.
Imagine, guys.
I'm waiting for the day that you're going to call us on.
Imagine, this is the view of it. Imagine, man.
Amazing.
You know?
Guys, tell us on comment section, how do you think you did of this amazing work? And I go by the name Nation254. Yes, I'm a content creator. I've been not uploading since 1 month ago. But I'm back, guys. I'm back.
Wow.
I'm back.
So, guys, please, you know, sometimes you're working hard to make things to happen, the reality. But most of the time, we are really trying to make sure that what you are doing is coming to be the reality. So, like, for example, I have the tiles inside. You know, God really opened the way, and then we got the tiles. And then sometimes, you know, you can have something, but it's not that you have really finished all of it. No. Like, right now, I'm struggling to get the cement, for sure. I need like 19 bags of cement. The cement that we will be able to use it installing the tiles inside of these rooms. You know, there are 3 rooms, and outside at these wall, you know, outside at this wall, we need also to put the tiles, you know. So somehow, you know, we are just trying to fix things together, you know. So after getting the cement, also there is labor money. You need to pay someone who is the engineer, who knows how to fix the tiles, so that he can fix for you, and then from there, now you can be really happy for what you have done it, you know. So remember, I bought the tiles, it's inside at my house, but remaining thing, it's about the cement. I need 19 bags of the cement that we will use to put the tiles inside, and then money labor also we need, and then there is some small things you have to buy so that you can mix with the cement.
Those things we call them. Guys, if you're coming from my channel, you will know that what I'm talking about. There's this floor that we mix it so that we can put for the tiles
Yes.
to look good.
Yeah.
On Yeah.
on the wall.
We call them waterproof what? It's waterproof. I don't know the name specifically.
Yes. So there is some those small things we have also to purchase it. So we are trying to arrange ourselves to see how everything will be go. But right now there is some around like 3 cements I'm having at my store inside. So I'm thinking like I will add 1 cement so that the mason who will come will start with this room to fix the tiles so that to see the view of the work, how it will be coming. Because right now you have seen the work that you have did it right now here. It's amazing work actually. So we are just appreciating for this day. But I need to appreciate all of you, my viewers, by watching my videos, by believing on me, Brother Dagi. And also guys, go check Nation out, subscribe to his channel, also show him some love. But from here, guys, we are really happy for the work of today. You can be there. Wow, you can see the view, how it's coming from there. So we thank God for this. We need to do something that even you, if you are our neighbor, you are our guest, you are our friend, if you came to visit us here in the village, when you are using something, you are really comfortable with it because we are doing something that it's modern, you know, so that if you will be here if you will be here one day, at least you can be enjoying to be at this village, at this home, at this area. So guys, thank you a million times. Let us meet tomorrow to the next video by finishing outside and everything. Today we have already finished inside. And guys, thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.
Bye guys.
Bye bye, our good people.
See you in the next
One
video.
love. See you to the next video. Amazing work. Amazing work. Wow.
Okay.
Mm.